when a question asks you to factorise, it's basically doing the opposite of expanding. So it wants you to put it into a bracket. There's a key word inside factorise, which is factor. So I need to take a factor out of both 6x and 15. So I'm looking for the highest common factor of those. With 6x and 15, my highest common factor is 3. I then open my bracket, and what would I multiply 3 by to get to 6x? Well, it's 2x. And what would I multiply 3 by to get to positive 15? It would be positive 5. And that's it. Now the next one looks trickier, but it's not. Again, and find the highest common factor. You can break it down into stages. So the highest common factor of 4 and 18 is 2. The highest common factor of x squared and x cubed is x squared. I then open my bracket. So what would I multiply 2x squared by to get to 4x squared? Well, in this case, it'd be 2. And what would I multiply 2x squared by to get to negative 18x cubed? Well, to get from 2 to negative 18, I multiply by negative 9. And to get from x squared to x cubed, I will multiply by x. And we're done.